At Crypto Future Investing, or CPI, we would like to introduce interesting terminal, Geckoterminal.com, which is created by a team from CoinGecko, a well-known statistical website for crypto. Gecko Terminal is showing only on-chain data. It is useful to first of all find chains that have activity, and you can see in volumes how much of volume is actually being traded on those chains. And by doing that, we can also find the apps or applications which are taking the majority of volume, which is super useful in determining which chains, which the apps are doing well in today's bear market. We did find also nice chain, DeFi chain, that we didn't know. We didn't hear anybody mentioning it before, and that actually has good volumes comparable to Avalanche. So let's have a quick check. Let's check a few chains. So as you can see, today's 24-hour transactions is about 1,586,000 transactions. Today's volume is about 111 billion on all chains. So let's go. One of the chains that surprised us, although we knew that it should do well, is Arbitrum. Arbitrum is really becoming one of the best layer 2 solutions on Ethereum. If you look at 24-hour volume, it is looking really good on Arbitrum. So we've got 28,532. So volume is in millions, liquidity is in tens or 20s of millions. Obviously, Ethereum, GMX are the majority of volume. But we also have staked it. We also have stable coins. Magic is number 3. So Arbitrum is really doing well. If we check Arbitrum Nova, which should be that faster version of Arbitrum, it's much less. Yeah, but that's a newer chain, faster chain by Arbitrum, so it will probably pick up once more protocols will launch on that Arbitrum. Okay, let's compare that to let's say Astar on Polkadot. 24-hour volume much lower, liquidity much lower, but the other smart contract platform on Polkadot is doing much better in terms of volume. Moonbeam is really doing well. Moonbeam, if you can see, is doing almost 6 times the Astar volumes in like 300, 200k, 229k, which is quite good compared that Polkadot is growing, but growing really slowly. Moonriver is really similar on Kusama, so we're not gonna go there. But if you will go to Avalanche, one of our favorite chains, we are a bit disappointed in Avalanche, because if we will go to Avalanche, it's only 650, 670, 500,000. So those volumes are not in millions. So Arbitrum is much more liquid, much more active than Avalanche. Let's look at BNB chain. That should be one of the most active chains. Yeah, 11, 10, 9. So volume is similar to Arbitrum, but liquidity is huge. Liquidity is much bigger, especially on those main coins. But that's Binance, obviously. Arbitrum looks even better now compared to Binance. Now you can go to Boba network, maybe see if that's layer 2 as well. Is there anything? Not really. What else can we see here? Cello maybe. Nothing interesting. Let's look at Ethereum. We will know that is a leader. Let's look at Phantom. So Phantom is looking not too bad. Look, 2 million wrapped Phantom and stable coin, then 400, 320, 240. So for as many problems as Phantom had, it is still doing quite good volumes. Let's compare Phantom to something like Harmony. Harmony is a surprise for us because we thought Harmony is dead, and look, Harmony is almost like Phantom. Obviously number one is top, but the rest of the volumes is like half of Phantom. Liquidity is quite good in millions. Obviously Phantom for us is much more interesting, but Harmony is not looking that bad. What else can be interesting here? Moonbeam, but we have showed you Moonbeam already. Optimism, there you go, Optimism. Let's look at Optimism. Fantastic, 7 million, 6 million, 3 million, 1.4, 800. Optimism is better than Avalanche as well. So Arbitrum and Optimism are really leading the game in here. They're doing better volumes than Avalanche, they're doing better volumes than most layer 1 solutions. So layer 2s are doing better volumes than other layer 1s that want to fight with Ethereum, which is really interesting. What else we can check in here? Some blockchain that can be comparable. Oasis is not really, doesn't really have that volume. We've checked it. Yeah, it's really disappointing. Only a couple of grand. Almost nothing here. So Velas maybe? Let's see Velas. Similar. Not much happening here. Okay, so let's go to the blockchain layer 1 that surprised us with its volumes. We never heard about it. The name you can see here is Kanto. Kanto is a DeFi protocol, layer 1, doesn't have too many protocols built on it, but look at the volumes. 600k, 500k, 200k. Those first four are really doing well compared. Look at liquidity, really good liquidity. So that protocol, that layer 1, is really something that we never heard of, but is doing such a good volumes, even very comparable even to AVAX, even to Phantom. So it's worth checking. Obviously we are not financial advisors, I'm not telling you to invest, but just have a look, just check. See, it's only 53 million market cap, fully diluted 148. As you can see, it's a layer 1 blockchain built to deliver on the promise of DeFi. So they are trying to be DeFi protocol. You can have bridge here, you can convert, you can stake in about 27%, lending and governance. Website is quite simple, but that's just the style that they chose. So have a look, see what you can find, research, and if you like it, obviously add it to your portfolio. Thank you.